Hey guys, it's Candace the Edgy Veg.
Hi, I'm Molly, the Gen Z Veg.
And welcome to the hen house.
Go on.
Today we're going to test out different vegan egg products. I'm actually very surprised. So we have a couple different types. We have two that are like pourable scrambled eggs. We have a powder that you mix at home, and then we have an egg yolk product. They're not all the same, but they're similar.
And they're also not tofu scramble, which is a classic, but you know, you want some options.
Exactly. So, which one are you most hesitant to try?
I think I'm most hesitant about the powdered, what is it called, vegan egg? Because it's powdered and it's also way less yellow than the rest of them.
And which one are
Egg
you
white.
most excited for?
Just egg, because
Just egg.
I've tried the folded, but I don't know if I've ever had the liquid one.
All right. So, let's go through them. Do you want to start on this side?
Sure, so first we have Simply Eggless. They also come in patty form, but we have the liquid here. Non-GMO, gluten-free, no dairy, soy, or nuts. It's made of lupin bean protein concentrate, which I assume is similar to like Just Egg is a mung bean, so I assume they're like a similar
Bean protein?
lentil, legume. Sunflower oil, natural flavors, calcium lactate, xanthan gum,
Cool.
beans and chemicals.
All right.
Good.
So then we have Just Egg, the liquid, the one that everyone in Canada is screaming to get their hands on. Because we have the folded ones here, or had the folded ones here first, and now we have these. So that's nice. Like Molly said, this is mung bean protein isolate, canola oil, a bunch of like thickening agents like gellan gum and soy lecithin, carotene, dehydrated onion, turmeric. All right.
That one is super hyped, for sure. This one, I love the packaging. It comes in an egg carton, but then it's like the bag inside. So cute. What are you made of? Okay, soy milk powder, modified cellulose, calcium lactate, black salt, nutritional yeast, natural flavors, beta carotene.
And then this last one is the veg, which I actually bought at the store in bulk. They have it at this bulk store that I go to. And it's supposed to be like a vegan egg yolk. So if you're into like dipping your toast into egg yolk, great option for you. I also really like to use it in hollandaise. It acts exactly like a vegan egg yolk, but I've never actually just like had it on its own. So let me get what that's made of. I'm pretty sure it's just made out of B12 and nutritional yeast and black salt. Soy protein isolate, nutritional yeast, niacin in this one, and then pretty much like a little bit of flavor and color, beta carotene, and black salt. All right,
Okay.
Which one should we start with? We have our little toasts. So we cooked the first three just in a frying pan, the way you would normally. This one we had to blend ourselves, and then obviously the powdered egg yolk we had to blend ourselves, but we cooked them relatively the same way. There were no instructions on the Simply Eggless or Just Egg, so we just went for it. But they look right. And then, yeah, this guy I think we cooked for 7 minutes. Should we just like go
Sure,
from the end? Okay.
Should we smell them like cooked
Sure.
and uncooked? I don't know if you can smell anything.
Oh yeah, I still can't really smell anything. I can try though.
Ooh, smells like soaked beans.
Yeah, wet beans. Wet bean smell. How about this? It smells like nothing.
I have liquid on my.
Oh, we're going in unseasoned because I think it would be unfair to season them. It tastes like nothing at first, and then there's this like strange flavor, a subtle strange flavor.
It's eggy though.
The texture is really good.
Yeah, there's kind of a weird aftertaste. Maybe it's because we didn't season it at all, so it's like pretty bland, pretty aggressively bland.
I'm actually very surprised.
I actually like the texture a lot.
The texture is really good. Spot on. It doesn't really taste like anything. And then there's this weird aftertaste.
No, but if you were gonna cover it in like, you know, sauteed vegetables or like hot sauce or ketchup.
Or in a burrito or something.
Oh yeah.
Or you could probably also make like omelets and whatnot with this. It'll probably just taste like whatever you cook it with.
Yeah.
I mean, it looks like an egg. It feels like an egg. It tastes like nothing. So 8 out of 10.
Yeah, 8 out of 10.
All right, Just Egg.
Oh, smells like the inside of a pumpkin when you carve it on
Oh my
Halloween.
God, that's exactly what it smells like. And this doesn't really smell like anything at all.
No,
Although
it
I
doesn't.
can't smell, so. That tastes like an egg.
And it's seasoned on its own.
Yeah, they have like onion powder or something in it, right? Yeah, so this is already seasoned. That is not seasoned at all. I mean, this is good.
It's good. I like that.
Texture's good. Oh, this little crispy bit, you know, when you make like a scrambled egg and you have that crispy bit on the side, that's like exactly like what I remember.
Stuck to the pan.
Yeah, that's really good. Yeah, the mouthfeel is very eggy, like that sliminess.
But it's good.
Yeah.
I like it. I think I might like the texture of the folded ones better.
Like the folded just egg?
Yeah, and they're also coming out with like a sous vide, like those Starbucks egg cups. Those are new, but I think they might be only in the US.
I think I kind of like the texture of this one, of the first one, but the flavor of this one.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, but I'm still gonna go 8.2 out of 10.
Yeah, I might go 8.5. Well, actually, I'm trying to think of like how I would use this and if it was seasoned. Wait, are we doing it like for potential or just how it is?
Whatever, however you like.
I might go 9 out of 10. You're 8.2?
It's good. It's good. I would eat it on its own. I would eat it in a breakfast burrito. But I don't know. I think I like your homemade one better. We should have made it like as a side by side.
I mean, thank you.
Plug that video.
Right there. Here somewhere or there. I don't know. Do people still do this on YouTube? All right. I mean, still like 8.2
really
and 9 out of 10. That's pretty good. So this one we had to make ourselves in the blender. It was 2 tablespoons of powder to half a cup of water, which makes, I guess this would be like 2 eggs or 1 egg. Is this 1 egg? Sure. It smells like it might be seasoned. That texture is wild.
It's like really fluffy, which is good. It tastes like nothing.
It tastes like nothing. Also, the color is really weird.
But I'm gonna give it like, for egg white, like as a scrambled egg white,
That texture is like spot on. Did you see the look on my face? I was like,
You guys both made the same face at the exact same time.
it's totally gonna be the thumbnail, isn't it?
this is what I remember like when I was eating egg whites back in the day.
This with like spinach in it and then like some Tabasco on it, that's like a healthy mom breakfast.
That's the exact same texture. It's like not overly seasoned, but there's something.
Yeah, but texture-wise, that's egg whites,
Whoa.
scrambled egg whites for sure.
Whoa. I wish that they were more yellow though. 9.5 out of 10.
Yeah, I would say probably like 9 out of 10.
The 0.5 is taken off from 10 because it's not yellow. I'm very shocked by this. Like I
Wow.
can't get over that texture. Wow. I wonder if you can make a souffle with that. It's so like light and fluffy, you might be able to.
Oh, maybe.
All right, and then we have our veg.
Can I smell it out of the jar? Oh, smells like nutritional yeast.
Yeah, and this smells, I don't know, I can't really smell anything.
Doesn't really smell like much. Oh
That
my goodness.
is-
Okay, up close.
Oh wow, that's a yolk.
But I remember egg yolks tasting buttery. Maybe people
Yeah.
will disagree with me, but I'm pretty sure it tastes like...
Oh my god.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god. This is everything I remember. I was a runny yolk girl.
I feel like this might be a little bit cheesy. There's like a cheese aftertaste.
It's that typical nutritional yeast that like everything that vegans make tastes like. And it's buttery though. It has that buttery richness that a normal egg yolk has. Oh my god, it's so good.
Does this have any like nutritional benefit at all?
I mean, it's filled with B12.
There you go, incorporate it in your breakfast on like anything breakfasty.
Oh my god, this is unbelievable.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 for sure. Okay, well, if we could like make like a patty out of this and then like spherify this and put that on top, I think you'd have the perfect egg.
I guess we'll see you make that on TikTok in a few weeks.
Oh, plugging the Edgy Veg TikTok, are we?
Yeah, you can also find that in the description box.
All right, well, I mean, thank you for coming to our egg talk.
Good one.
I crack myself up. Oh, another one. Let's go. Well, thank you for coming to our egg video. And I guess if you have these in your area, go buy them. They're pretty good. I mean, there's nothing below a 8 or 7. No,
and
8.
if you don't have access to these, you can make Candace's homemade Just Egg sort of liquid.
She's always working. All right, so if you like these taste test videos and you have any requests, you can leave them in the comment section down below. And if you like the video, you can like it. And if you're new here, subscribe, I guess.
And we'll see you next week.
Bye!